Good day, everyone. I'm John Lawrence Harper, and I'm reporting gender and globalization. What is globalization? Globalization is a process of countries becoming more connected through trade, technology, communication, and culture. It allows goods, ideas, information to move quickly across borders. This communication influence economies, societies, and individual lifestyle. What is gender? Gender refers to a rule, behavior, and expectation. The society assigned to people, it is different from biological sex because it is shaped by culture and social norms. Gender roles can change over time and vary between countries. How globalization affects in gender roles. Globalization exposes the people to new ideas that can challenge traditional gender roles. More women and men now have opportunities in education and employment. As a result, responsibilities at home and in society are groundly changing. Positive impact on gender equality. Globalization has increased access to education and job for many women and margin- marginalized groups. International organizations promote equal rights and protect against discrimination. Social media also help raise awareness about gender and equality issue worldwide. Real world examples. Many women work in a global industries such as factories, offices, and online business. Social movements around the world advocate for equal rights and fair treatment. Migration and overseas work also change family roles and responsibilities. In conclusion, globalization brings both opportunities and challenges for gender equality. It helps people gain education, jobs, and global support for equal rights. However, continued effect efforts is needed to reduce inequality and ensure fairness for everyone.